think fluid applied really has sheet applied beat in a lot of ways. And one of the prime reasons is it's very quick to install. So it's very productive. I'm always interested in doing things quicker. I have a home shop. I have woodworking equipment. Once in a while, I have a few customers which will come in and need some work done. And I definitely like getting things done quick versus taking a long time to do it. So productivity is key. We're able to, I think, observe better continuity of details within the building envelope and the corners and so forth. I think fluid applied really does a good job of continuity.